Although not as famous as other major brands such as Apple or Sony, Bowers and Wilkins has earned its reliable reputation from speakers and headphones that had an immense impact on the market of audio about 5 years ago. Now, after 3 years of the widely popular and critically acclaimed PX7 wireless headphones, Bowers and Wilkins have announced a follow-up by giving it the Untitled PX8 and stamped a jaw-dropping price tag of $700. With this latest release, Bowers and Wilkins apparently have Apple in their crosshairs. However, with such a hefty price tag, should you go for the brand new PX8 or stick with the AirPods Max from Apple? Let's find out in our video today. Well, let's rewind back a bit. You see, unlike today where ANC is a relatively common thing to have for a headphone, in 2019, it was somewhat of a big deal that actually helped to judge a headphone's overall value and categorize them from average to premium. Back then, the PX7 has been able to get away with using carbon fiber and fabrics alongside a lightweight design, but with a relatively impressive ANC that sort of justified that $400 price tag. Now, the follow-up actually provides quality materials such as die-cast aluminum, memory foam ear cups, and a fine Napa leather trim in either a tan or dark black finish, while not tampering with the old and reliable ANC technology. The difference with this version is the new 40mm carbon cone driver that takes its design inspiration from B&W's 700 series speakers. This driver promotes a relatively low distortion all through the frequency range, and according to the manufacturer, this specific pair of headphones, in terms of sound delivery from a wireless device, is simply the best. Bold, brave, very B&W. But on the flip side, for $549, you'll be getting the very best that Apple has to offer in the form of a headphone, but here's the catch. As with all things Apple, you have to belong in the Apple ecosystem in order to take full advantage of your AirPods Max. You see, with Apple's allergic reaction to 3.5mm jacks, the only connecting method you'll get is the Lightning port, not even a USB-C. And wait, it doesn't only stop at that though. If you're quote-unquote unfortunate enough to own an Android phone, or even Windows for that matter, you should be prepared to face some issues regarding the proximity sensors and voice assistant activation because they just don't go well. Even with the Max title, the cans do not come with aptX or LDAC high-quality support, which when compared to the B&W PX8 seems a bit overpriced for the kind of performance you're getting, specifically when the PX8 don't care about your ecosystem where Apple kind of forces you to sit with them in order to get full advantage. Therefore, a more luxurious and possibly a better alternative? Sure looks like it. Yes, we get it, the price is hefty and a lot of people would just look for better alternatives, but if you, as an individual, can muster up to $549 for the AirPods Max, which you need to be in the same ecosystem to make full use of, or it's basically more or less a free trial at this point, it makes more sense to save some more and go for the PX8, since they tick every box that you'd ever want from a premium headphone. But then again, this is merely our own opinion and outlook, and we'd love to hear what you think in the comment section down below. Do let us know, and as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.